Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our stamp club reveal for July of 2023. Yep, July. We are halfway through this year and we are headed into Christmas. Now, this is not a Christmas stamp. I hope you're not super sad, but I don't do Christmas or specific holiday themes for our club. We want our club to be something for everyone, especially our first of the month club, which that's what this one is, and so our original club. And so that's not Christmas, but this is a stamp set you are going to be blown away with the possibilities. You're going to love this so much. Now, if you're not a member of our stamp club, why not? Check in the description below. It's easy to join. Matter of fact, the price of stamp club is going up in 2024. So if you want to join and get a little discount on the stamps, go ahead and join now before 2024. Become a member. You'll get that club member discount on your purchases in the store, and it'll be a big happy club family. So there's that information. All of it's linked below. All right, you ready for this one? It is so cute. This one is called Sunny Hello. Now listen, at first glance, you might be like, oh, it's just a lot of words. Oh no, wait till you see what Sylvia has done. I told her I needed just some words to say hello and hi and things like that to my friends and to besties and to my husband or whoever, right? Handsome, whatever. Wait till you see how she has done this. It is so cute. So on the set, you'll see you have the big words: sunshine, beautiful, sweetheart, bestie, handsome, friend, darling, my love. Then the little words are hello, hi, hey there. But then, do you see these little icons that are all over the place? They are so cute to mix into the stamps. Now, what we did was I asked Sylvia to make for you a very detailed project list, okay? So if you go to our website and you're going to purchase this stamp set, or if you're in the club, you can go to the product page and this is here, okay? So what this will do is give you some examples of how to stamp it, all right? She just took the images and put them together in different ways to give you examples. And it says here, these are only a few examples. There are endless possibilities of arrangements with these greetings and images, okay? So good example of them here. And you can print this out and use it for yourself at home. And she also stamped a bunch for me, and we made a one sheet wonder mini slimline to show you a bunch of them put together. I thought this would be the best way to kind of show you them used. So what's a one sheet wonder? You might be wondering. This plaid you see in the background is one sheet of 12 by 12. Move this so we can get these in. It's one sheet of 12 by 12 from, I think this one is from Our Story Matters. That's what this paper is from. And so we cut that apart and we made some mini slimlines to show you all the sentiments. So check it out. You've got hello, beautiful. Not pretty how she did the flowers. Hello, my sunshine. How about hello, handsome? She did hello, beautiful friend. Hi, handsome. Do you not love the top hat? And I think that's so cute. And also, it's not like this on the stamp. So if you want to put the hat somewhere else, or if you want to put the bow tie somewhere else, that's what I love about it. It's kind of a builder set. This one says, hello, sweetheart. Look at all the little hearts. Isn't that adorable? Then, hello, my sweetheart. And hello, my darling friend. Come on, isn't that awesome to have such a big sentiment like that? Love this set. She nailed it. I'm so excited about it. I can see this being one that you'll use over and over and over again. And we'll bring the set back over so you can look at that. So don't forget, not only do you have all the words, you have the little icons. There's a pair of lips, there's a mustache, there's a flower, a little butterfly, a cup of coffee, some stars, the sun, there's a heart, there's a flower. And these little guys here, I don't know if she did them in these samples, but I can show you here. She used them like this. Do you see how you can mix them side by side and how you can do it like that? Don't forget to go print out the sample sheet. It'll help you to have ideas for using it. All right, guys, that is our club set for July, and I love it, and I just know you will. This is a good one. This is a everyday use set and for any situation. So, you know, every month we give away a $50 gift card, and all you have to do to participate is pick up the stamp set, make a project with it, post it in our customer gallery. Then we choose a winner from there every month to win that $50 gift card, and that person's name, that winner, will be in the first line of the description under this video. So click the more button and you'll see that pop up, and hopefully it was you who's watching today. If you'd like to enter next time, same thing. Make a project with this, post it in our customer gallery, and that's all you have to do to enter to win. Hey, thanks so much for being here and being part of our club, and until next time, bye now.